Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Boss, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2008 Suzuki Grand Vitara Prestige. Stock reference number 4503. This shape runs from the 8th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2018. It has an N32A 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic full drive transmission. N32A 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, radiator grille, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. The bonnet has 2 small dents. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the left hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Spare wheel cover, hard type. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right power door mirror. And right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.